hand measure, set 29, tossing a triple on 1. 1, 2, catch it, 3. Then you're going to melt 4, 5, up 6. Then you're going to step out and do drop spin on 7, 8, 9. Reach 10, 11, 12. Move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lift 7, 8, lat 9. Angle 10, 11, 12. Toss it 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to lift it up and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop spin 9, 10, 11, 12. To your left, 13, 14, 15. Grab the nose, backhand, thumb down, 16. Lift it up, 1, 2, angle 3. Flourish 4, 5, 6. Reset. This is actually 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now you should be at set 32. And we're going to move 8 counts, hiding behind our rifle. So move 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 counts going to sneak peekaboo to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reset. Scratch that. Reset back to peekaboo. You peekaboo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to do up 1, 2 to the left, 3, 4 to the right, 5, 6 up again, 7, 8. Now for the next 2 sets of 8, you're going to move character to your hold set, and while you're moving character, you can be, if you want to, you can be a trombone player. Pretend you're a trombone player. Maybe you're hunting something. Maybe you want to be a bow and arrow archer. Maybe you want to do something. Maybe you're a flute player and you're trying to march like this. Maybe you're a clarinet. Do something that mimics someone around you for the next 2 sets of 8, which should get you to set 36. At set 36, you need to be set flat. This will be in triplet, and we're going to do a flourish on 1, 2, 3. Do a little toss 4, 5, 6. Another flourish 7, 8. Grab it, backhand 9. Flip it 10, 11, 12. Now we'll do that in 2 sets. We'll do that back group first, front group second. So again, it will be 24 counts. We're doing a flourish on 1, 2, 3. Toss it 4, 5, 6. Another flourish 7, 8. Grab backhand 9. Flip 10, 11, 12. The second group will do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From here, we'll go ahead and tuck and march. We will add on more with the next video.